Hello guys, and today we have the Realme GT Neo 3 which supports 150 watt charging in the box. Let's get ahead with the unboxing and also check out that 150 watt charging brick, which is huge by the way. Okay, now so let's check out the content in the box. So this is a normal TPU case, which is a good addition in the box. And now let's check out the cable, the charging cable. Okay, so this is a pretty thick charging cable, and this is a type C to type C charging cable, as you can see. Now let's check out the highlight of this whole product. This is the 150 watt charging brick, and this is pretty huge. Yeah, nice quality. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll be back with the next video in coming days, and yeah, take care and subscribe the channel. Bye.